Hi there, it's Laura. In today's video, I want to talk about organizing. I hate it when I'm in the middle of making a recipe and I realize I don't have the can of soup that I needed, so I have to run out to the store. It takes up time, it takes up money, and I later find that very ingredient in my kitchen pantry. It's so frustrating. Or how about batteries? I'm always running out of batteries, and then I later find them somewhere where they shouldn't be. This is why organizing is my top hack for saving money.
Today I'm going to share why organization is the #1 way to save money. From the pantry to the playroom, I'm covering it all. So if you're ready to declutter, simplify, and start saving, let's get organized. Let's start with the heart of the kitchen, the pantry and refrigerator. I can't tell you how many times I run out to buy an ingredient I need, only later to find it behind a bunch of stuff in the cupboard or on a back shelf in the fridge. When your pantry and fridge is cluttered, it's easy to forget what you have and let things expire in the back corners. A well-organized pantry and fridge allows you to see everything at a glance, so you're more likely to use up what you have before it goes bad. To conquer these beasts, take everything out of cabinets in the fridge, wipe down the shelves, and toss anything that's expired. Restock and group similar items together: canned goods, baking supplies, snacks, drinks, and dairy, for example. Use clear containers for easy visibility. Try the first in, first out method, which means placing new items in the back and using older items which are placed at the front. This prevents things from going bad. Add labels to containers and shelves to make it easy to find what you need and avoid duplicate purchases. Use stackable containers or risers to maximize vertical space. And Lazy Susans are a great way to keep everything within reach. Kitchen organization goes a long way to keep your grocery bills in check. Clutter isn't just visually unappealing, it can also cost you money. Set aside some time each week to declutter a different area of your home. Sell gently used items online or at consignment shops to earn some extra cash. Don't toss those glass jars and plastic containers. They're free storage solutions just waiting to be reused. Glass jars and plastic containers are perfect for storing leftovers, office and art supplies, and much more. And boxes are great for organizing things in your closets. They might not be as pretty as store-bought containers, but they cost a whole lot less. I personally reuse shoe boxes to organize things in my closets. A command center is like a central hub for all things family-related, helping you stay organized. By keeping track of schedules, bills, and upcoming events in one central location, you can avoid impulse purchases or late fees. You can see what groceries you already have on hand to avoid purchases that are not necessary. Choose a central location in your home for your command center. Use a whiteboard or bulletin board to keep track of appointments, deadlines, grocery lists, and important reminders. An organized playroom can encourage creativity, reduce stress, and even save you money. When toys are jumbled together, it's easy to forget what your child already has. A well-organized playroom with clear categories allows them to see all their options, reducing the urge to constantly ask for new toys. Lost toys often lead to frustrated kids and replacement purchases. Clear designated spots for toys make them easier to find and put away, reducing the likelihood of them getting lost under the couch or behind furniture. Invest in some storage bins, shelves, and baskets to organize toys by category. Rotate toys regularly to keep things interesting and prevent boredom. Ever bought a new shirt because you couldn't find that perfect one you already owned? A chaotic closet makes it easy to forget what you have, leading to unnecessary purchases. An organized closet makes getting dressed a breeze and helps you see the full potential of your wardrobe. Start by decluttering your closet, getting rid of anything you don't wear, need, or love. Organize your clothes by type, color, or season. Bathrooms are notorious for being small and lacking storage space. Lost or forgotten beauty products often lead to duplicate purchases. Organized drawers and cabinets allows you to see everything you have, preventing you from buying backups of items you already own. crushed or spilled products happen easily in a cluttered bathroom. It's also easy to have expired products in your bathroom, which can be ineffective or even harmful. Use drawer dividers to organize makeup, toiletries, and hair accessories. Install shelves above the toilet or door to utilize vertical space. The garage can quickly become a black hole for tools and random household items. How often do you buy something new because you can't find the old one in the garage? A well-organized space with designated storage for tools, paint, hardware, or camping gear allows you to see what you already have, preventing unnecessary purchases. Invest in some heavy-duty shelving units to store bins, boxes, and other items off the floor. I also love hanging pegboards for organizing tools and gadgets in the garage and keep them within easy reach. An organized home office can boost productivity and save you money. Think of all the money you can save by keeping your bills organized in one spot so you can pay them on time. A filing system and designated storage areas keep everything within easy reach, saving you time and frustration. Create a designated workspace to minimize distractions and maximize focus. Thanks for watching. I hope these organizational hacks help you save money and make your life a little easier. Start small, focus on one area at a time, and celebrate your progress along the way. Even small changes can make a big difference in your wallet and your peace of mind. Don't forget to like, comment about your favorite organizational hack, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.